Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general reading for fire sign Leo, and this reading is for the remaining month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see, Leo, what's the messages for you? Leo, this is general. King of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, the Fool. I think someone is walked away from this connection and someone showing cold shouldering to another person, and but one person want a new beginning. Yes, they want to offer a long-term commitment, and they want to offer long-term commitment and they also want new beginning. Who walked away from this connection? Either you or your person. So let's see some more messages from you. What's the messages for you, Leo? Three of Swords. Yeah, someone is very hurt. The Tower. What's going on? Leo. Four of Cups. Definitely there is separation between both of you. I think it's you, Leos. You are very heartbroken right now. There is some tower moment is happened between both of you. Four of Cups. Yes, you don't want to accept the cup of love which is offered by your person. You are not taking this offer because you are very heartbroken. I think your person not treating you well in past. That's why you walked away. But your person want to offer commitment, King of Pentacles. But you are very sad. Seven of Wands. Four of Pentacles. Yes, you are holding back. You are not expressing your feelings this time. Five of Wands. Yeah, there are some fightings between both of you. There are some obstacles in this relationship. I think you are holding back. You are not expressing your feelings to your person, Leo. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, Eight of Cups. Lot of separation cards. Walking away. Knight of Wands. But still passion is there between both of you. Your person want to come towards you, but you walked away. Knight of Swords. Some communication is also coming in your way. I think your person want to approach you, but you are holding back this time, Leo. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to right now. Little bit your person's energy. Okay. Ten of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. Five of Swords. I think they want to offer long-term stability to this connection. Still they are juggling between two things. They want to end the disputes between both of you. Five of Swords means ending the disputes. They want to end the disputes between both of you. They are fantasizing about you a lot. For some, your person is also seeing options in their life, but they are juggling between two options. After you walked away, they realize you both, then they will come towards you and offer this long-term commitment, Leo. So in this connection, you walked away, definitely you holding back. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.